Let me show you how to install the statistical software package Minitab. In the video Introduction to Minitab, I introduced the program and showed you how it worked. I will be working with the version 17 of Minitab. There are several licenses that you can use and buy to get Minitab. There is the 30-day trial version, which is for free. There's an academic license for 6 or 12 months, which you can buy through onthehub.com. Note that you will need to be affiliated as a student or a staff member to a university. You can find details at onthehub.com. Alternatively, you can buy a professional license without an expiration date through minitab.com. Now you can start installing Minitab on your PC. Minitab is not available for Mac, unfortunately, so you will have to install a Windows environment on your Mac. An alternative to installing Minitab is to install Minitab Express. This can be directly installed on your Mac. However, it has far less functionalities than Minitab, but it has most things that we will be discussing. Note that the layout and the structure in Minitab Express are different from Minitab, so you will need your own creativity to find out where you can find which tool. For the 30-day trial version of Minitab, you go to minitab.com and you can go to Products and you find Minitab here. Next, click on Download the free trial. You can choose between professional use and academic use. Academic use is only applicable if you have an email address which is affiliated to an academic institution. If that's not the case, you use professional use, which you can do with any email address. I will show you academic use, but professional use is relatively equivalent. Okay? For academic use, you will be transferred to the On the Hub website. Okay. Now, you can find Minitab if you scroll down a little. Here, get the free trial. Next, you have various options and one on the bottom is the free trial. Okay. It will start downloading, which you can see in my computer here. Now Minitab is done with downloading and click on it. It will open and I will allow it to go through. And you first have to select the language that you want to use. For me, I want to have English, which is the standard that we'll be using throughout all the videos. Okay. Click on Next to start the setup of Minitab 17. You can read through the license agreement from Minitab, which if you scroll down, and then of course you will have to accept it to be able to install it. Okay. Next. This will be the default folder, but you can choose it if you want its file to be stored somewhere else on your computer. Next. This is it, and you say Install Minitab. And wait until it's done. As soon as it's done, you'll get this window which says Completed Minitab Setup, and you click on Finish. That's it. Now you are ready to open Minitab. Go to your desktop and you find this symbol by which you can click on to open Minitab. The first time that you will do this, Minitab will ask you to register with your email address and your name. After that, select Use the trial version and click on Launch, and now you are ready to use Minitab.